Welcome to our beginner English class. Today, we have a very special story.
This story is about a little friend we found.
This friend is very familiar to us.
Let's see what happened in the park.
And who is that little friend? Let's see.
What a wonderful morning. Today's picnic will be so much fun. I'm ready. I want to play football. Mommy, do you need any help?
Okay, Anna. Let's spread jam on the bread together.
I've prepared everything I need, and I'm ready to go.
The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny all day. Is everyone ready? Let's go to the car.
I really like this park. It's spacious and the air is fresh.
Let's sit here near this big oak tree. Tom, Anna, be careful while you play.
Look, I look like a professional player. I think I hear something. Mom, Dad, come here.
What's wrong, Anna?
What's wrong, Anna? You look so frightened.
Dad, Mom, I think I saw something down the drain. I see two small eyes. It's a cat.
It's stuck. I can't lift it out.
It's too heavy. I need a tool.
This branch is quite strong. Maybe we can use it. Poor kitten. It must be so scared being all alone down there. Dad, I found this. You can use it to pry open the manhole cover.
1, 2. Finally, it's open.
It's okay, kitten. Don't be scared. Don't cry. Please don't cry. I'm here.
Oh my goodness, look at this kitten. It's so small and weak, and it must be so cold.
I've prepared the towel here. Wrap it around yourself to keep warm.
We have to take it to the veterinarian immediately. Okay, kids, the picnic is postponed for today. Let's take this little friend to the vet.
Yes, Mom/Dad. Be brave, little one. You'll be all right.
Hello, veterinary nurse. We found a kitten in the drain in the park. It looks weak and has been cold for quite a while. Then you should take it to the doctor's office. The doctor will examine it immediately. Don't worry. Let's see, it has a slight fever. It looks like it's been in the sewers for a long time and has a cold, too.
Dad, do you think that cat will be okay?
The doctor is very good, Tom. It will be all right.
Good news! The cat is recovering. Now it just needs to be fed and rested.
That's great! Dad, can we take him home? We can take care of him.
What do you think of that idea?
Okay, we'll take care of the cat so it recovers quickly.
Let's call it Lucky. That sounds meaningful.
We need to buy essentials for Lucky, like food and a place to sleep.
Mom, buy this toy for the cat too. I'll play with it. You have to wait until Lucky gets better.
Kids, that's all we'll buy for now. Let's go home and let Lucky rest.
First, Lucky needs a bath. The water's very warm.
Good food will keep your kitten healthy. Here's some food for the kitten.
I'm building a tall tower for Lucky to climb. He'll surely love it.
Jump, Lucky! Jump even higher! You're such a fast jumper. Your fur is so soft now, Lucky. You look so beautiful.
It's time for bed. Good night, little kitten. I hope you get well soon.
Ouch! That tickles. Good morning, Lucky.
Anna, wake up! Today is Lucky's follow-up appointment.
Come on, Lucky. Don't be shy. It's for your health.
Since we've adopted her, we must always take Lucky to the vet for regular checkups so she has good health.
Yes, we understand.
Hello. We've brought Lucky back for a routine checkup.
Right. Yes, please wait a moment for the doctor.
That's great. He looks much heavier and his fur is much shinier. He must have been very well cared for. Its ears are clean and its eyes are very bright. You've taken very good care of it, Anna.
So Lucky is completely recovered now, right, Doctor?
Listen, thump, thump. Its heart is as strong as a lion's.
Yes, I heard it.
This is Lucky's health record. We must keep it safe.
Okay, let's go home.
Remember, kids, having a pet is a big responsibility.
We all love our responsibilities, don't we, Tom? And we love Lucky, too. Look at Lucky! He's playing with the yarn. It's so funny! Yes, it's both funny and adorable.
Keep an eye on Lucky, kids. He's now a part of our family.
It's such a good cat. So adorable.
Mom and Dad, Lucky is completely recovered. Let's go to the park for a picnic. Look, Lucky seems to like playing in this wide, grassy area. Look how happy he is. I feel so lucky that day I heard Lucky's voice and saved him. So now we have such a lovely little friend.
Kindness is very important.
That's right. Even small actions in life can shape a child's character.
We hope you enjoyed our story. Remember to treat animals well. They are lovely friends. Today's lesson is over. See you in the next video. Goodbye.